Hello friends, I'm Shreya. Today I'm gonna show you a very beautiful and cute beaded heart-shaped pendant design. First I will take 4 pieces 6 mm red color crystal. Then add 2 pieces 6 mm red color crystal and 1 piece 5 mm pearl. Then add 3 pieces 6 mm red color crystal. Then again I will add 3 pieces 6 mm red color crystal. This time I will secure the design by turning the needle through the edge crystals once. Our cute heart pendant is ready now. I will add jump ring now. You can add chain of your choice through this jump ring. Hope you like our cute beautiful beaded heart-shaped pendant design. If you like it, please give it a like and comment and let us know how you like. Thank you very much for watching our entire video. Bye bye dear.